This is our humble place, our residence. So this is our room. The primary reason why we transfer at the farm is that my 1 year and 8 months old son usually would like to play by jumping from that bed to the couch, and we are afraid if he will be jumping from the bed directly to the floor, and he might incur injuries out of it. So our kamalig at the farm is half the size of this room, but we are comfortable enough and knowing that our son will be safe from any untoward injuries. The second reason is that we have limited space here. To preserve our mental health, it is good during this pandemic to be at a place where movement is not curtailed. So we opt to stay at the farm. We could not deny that it is much comfortable to stay here at the house rather than at the farm, but we could not prejudice our safety, much more the safety of my son, during this pandemic, because it cannot be avoided that there are a lot of people going in and out of the house, a lot of visitors coming, checking in with my in-laws, and then that's it. So it's better to be safe during the time of the pandemic. Where we live here at the farm. This is our kubo. That's my wife and my 1 year and 8 month old son. So this is our kubo, and that is our kitchen where we prepare and cook our food. So let's check inside the kubo. So we utilize this area here as our sampayan when it's raining, and then we place stuff here like water and medicine, lotion for the mosquitoes, and my communication network, my portable radio, emergency light and electric fan, but we have generator here though. So this is the room. We sleep at the floor with a cushion. See, and we have a go boxes, so that whenever we want to live, we just carry it easily. Wi-Fi, our AC, and then ceiling fan. That's it. So we place tape around the air conditioned unit for the reason that there are a lot of insects getting in, because as I've said, we're at the farm. My baby's potty chair. So we have outlet. What else? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, and you can see outside the farm. So we put mosquito screen outside so that no mosquito could get in. So this is our little veranda. uh, you could see the farm, a wide view of the farm. Hello, say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Say hi. Baby, say hi. That's my 1 year and 8 month old son and my wife. So we're just like having an unli vacation here at the farm. From the farmhouse, just a few steps following this footsteps, or shall we say pathway, because this is commonly known as footsteps here. So just a few steps and that's the beach. So we have an easy access at the beach anytime we want. And this area here, as you can see, if only developed, is good for mini golf. I guess one of these days I will convert this into a mini golf. Beautiful. It seems to be like you're having a vacation all day. And this is the beach. That's our pump boat. And that is Capayas Island and our floating cottage. And we are planning to build a cottage on top of that mini island. So it's against the light, the sun is up there, but I need to take a video of this very beautiful place. So this is our boardwalk going to our dock. There's a dock over there. So hopefully one of these days I could make a farm tour. So that's it. This is our fish pond, and if you are new to my channel, hopefully you will consider subscribing so that you will be updated for upcoming videos. Thank you. Farm life, happy life. Happy farming everyone. God bless.